Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to convert images to PDFs in your phone. So first you're gonna go to Play Store. When you're here you're gonna download Google Docs, this application right here. You're gonna open it and you're gonna create your account. When you create your account, you're gonna press on this little plus on the bottom part of the screen and then new document. When you're here, there is a plus on the top part of the screen. So you're gonna click it and then select image, and then you can choose from your photos. I'm gonna do it with my camera. So yes, I'm gonna take one photo or two photos, then after you have your two photos here, you're gonna open these 3 points on the top part of the screen and then select share and export. In here you're gonna save as, and you can select PDF document. You can click on OK and this will save. Just wait for this to finish. And here there are the two photos and it's a PDF. So you can download this and this is how you can transform an image to PDF.